Renovation cleans, stubborn stains and vehicles that don't get regular TLC may require some extra cleaning on occasion. A touchless cleaning system can be supplemented by Suttner's foaming broom when a little manual cleaning is required. Some of our customers use a touchless cleaning technique on their trailers and then add a Broom and Chief's Platinum wash into their routine for their polished aluminium. Whatever your needs, routine or preference, having versatile tools on hand makes cleaning faster and easier. The foaming broom is angled for ease of use and comes in two sizes suitable for small or domestic vehicles, as well as trucks and heavy machinery. The soap is delivered to the broom via one of Suttner's downstream injectors. Like our other hardware, the broom fits the plug-and-play quick connector so that the foam is controlled by a high-pressure gun. By bypassing the soap at the injector, the broom can deliver fresh water for rinsing, which can then be followed by a quick final rinse via a lance. If you're using the broom to do your entire clean, the vehicle should be pre-rinsed to remove the grit and avoid the scratching or swirling that can occur with manual cleaning.